Okay, so hi everyone, hi all of you, welcome to the channel Unacademy Computer Science. So, yeah, first of all, hi Roshan. Hey Aditya. Hi everyone, hi everyone. I'm so sorry for coming late. See, like, actually, itna late we इसलिए because there was a little bit of glitch at my end. So, just because of that, thoda sa late, but yeah, from next time it won't happen, okay? So, yeah, hi everyone, how are you all doing? Hey Rishabh, hi. Very good evening, Manish. Very good evening. Yes, everyone. How are you people doing? Let me know in the chat box. Yeah, hi, Sumit. Voice is low. Okay. Okay, just give me a minute. Okay, just give me a minute. Yeah, very good evening. Very good evening, all of you. Very good evening. Okay, just allow me a minute. I'm just like trying to fix that issue thing. Then we'll be starting. Just give me a minute, okay? Yeah, okay, guys. Just give me a minute, okay? I'm just checking over that audio thing. Just allow me a minute. Okay, so yeah, till the time the audio thing is it's getting solved and everything. So I would like to proceed and first of all welcome you all over here for this session that is we'll be discussing about your latest trends into your GATE, DS and AI. Okay, that is what we will be going through today. Okay, yeah, let's start everyone. Let's start in very quickly. Just quickly tell me how like energetic you all are and how excited you are for this very first session with me. Just quickly tell me out in the chat box, everyone. Okay, I can see a lot of emojis from you all. It's completely fine. Thank you for this excitement. Okay, let's start up here. So see, आज का हमारा सेशन होने वाला है ना, वी विल बी टेकिंग कि व्हाट आर द लेटेस्ट ट्रेंड्स. हम लोग गेट के बारे में थोड़ा सा समझने वाले हैं कि व्हाट आर वी गोना कवर फ्रॉम अपकमिंग सेशंस. हमारा किस तरीके से ऑल द सेशंस आर गोना बी प्लान. फिर हम लोग थोड़ा डीएसए के बारे में भी आज बात करने वाले हैं कि व्हाई इज दैट डीएसए दैट वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट हमारा डेटा साइंस के लिए, इवन हमारे गेट के प्रिपरेशंस के लिए भी. We have a lot of DSA to learn to understand. तो like what are the things, क्यों ये सब इतना ज़्यादा ज़रूरी है, right? So we will be discussing up all these things in this particular session today. And even I want you people कि whatever the doubts you all are having regarding your gate, regarding your preparations or anything, just try to solve those all with me over here in this session only, so that from tomorrow we can start our regular like classes where I will be training you over the topics. Okay, so let's get started up. So like for the GATE 2024, you all know that DS and AI, that is one new topic which has actually come up, right? And doing the data science in masters in that and further doing it with your dream colleges or the things, that is one of the best things which is here. So for having and cracking those GATE exam for this DSAI, what are the things that you want to and that is actually needed for you to learn, right? So I'll be talking ki, yeah, you have to have a very good programming knowledge, and the programming language which we go with data science is your Python. So programming in Python, that is one of the programming languages that is very much required for you to go ahead and learn a lot of things over that maybe this for this GATE 2024 exam, right? Then even in the data science, you are having database management system, DBMS, right? So under that DBS, you will be learning the SQL as your structured query language. So you know key SQL, why is that needed? Because see, now try to understand whatever the data we have, right? Whatever the data we have or whatever the data you are giving to different websites, to different apps, all of that data is going and gathered in a data warehouse. Okay, now that data warehouse, now whenever I as a data scientist or you as a data scientist have to work on that data, so what is needed? You first of all need to extract the data from the data warehouse. I hope you are trying to understand that all the data is stored in a data warehouse. Whenever you have to work with that particular data, you require that you first of all have to extract that data from the data warehouse, and then further you go ahead and work with that, right? That is what is required. So for extracting that data, we require the structured query language, SQL, because all the data is saved in a data warehouse. From that warehouse, you actually take that to a database, then you have different sheets and a lot of things happening up over there at the backend. So for solving all of those, then bringing your data, maybe like trying to differentiate about your data, okay, what exactly data you need, right? Which is the exact data you are requiring. But that is the thing, right? So from there you require that completely, you try to take that data, then it is completely taken over with the Python programming language and maybe working with that onto your Jupyter notebook or Google Colab, whatever you prefer like. Fine. So that is the thing which is required. That is the reason ki SQL as your database management system, DBMS, is as well very much required for your GATE. And that is also we will be covering up further. So as I mentioned up till now, Python and your SQL, right? So these two are the first and foremost very important topics, and as a, if you say a roadmap or as a beginner or maybe as a thing to proceed, I would recommend to start with these because these are the very basics and even the easiest portions. So if we go on with a proper manner in all of those things, so yeah, it might be a very good way for you as well to get out, learn up the things and not getting bored in between or not feeling like I'm not able to get those things. So like, am I clear up till this place to everyone? Like whatever I have tried to explain you, are we clear with everything? I just want some quick confirmations in the chat box, guys. And yeah, even let me know like, do you want it to be in Hindi or Hindi plus English? Just even let me know some language as well if you have any preferable ones also. Okay, Sujit. So Sujit, see, Sujit, whatever you have now, whatever you want to ask, you can ask all those things anytime with me over here only onto YouTube live here. I will be very happy to answer all of your queries, whatever you have into your mind regarding anything or maybe regarding your taking of the course in an academy, about your GATE DS and anything, right? I'll be very happy to discuss all those. Okay, pretty fine, guys. So see, now that is one of the things. One more request. I request everyone, guys, be active. Try to ask as much as you can, and even help me to get that. Am I clear what I am trying to explain you as well? Right. So it will even give me a heads up. You know what I am trying to say. It is clear to you, so that I can proceed further, and maybe we can take some more things to discuss over. So talking about your DSA, that is your data structures and algorithms, right? So why is that required, or maybe why is that DSA that very much needed into data science also? Why we require to learn that for this gate also? So see, data structures and algorithms. So whatever the data we are having, or whatever the data you give, right? All that data, uh, is completely in a form key. You have different kind of a data. You are having lists, you have tuples, you have maybe dictionaries stored somewhere, or you are having integers or strings, characters stored, right? Now these are different data types. If you don't know, don't worry about that. I will be discussing these things from tomorrow with you all in detail as well. So you are having a very different kind of data with you. So working with those data, firstly need the understanding about that data. How is one different to the other, and there is a manner to work with and treat the every data in a different format. It's not like that ki I'll teach you something. If I teach maybe any student, let's say Roshan, if I teach Roshan something, it's not the way ki I'll again same explain that thing to Sujit, and it's not ki both of them will be understanding in the same manner, right? So everyone have their own behavior, everyone has their own nature, true. In that same manner, all the data types also have their own nature, they have their own behaviors, right? So to understand that, to go through that, that is first of all required for understanding about the data types. The very first requirement in the data structures, you have to recognize what data it is and how I can interpret and work with that data, right? Now, applying your algorithms, there many a times happen ki when you are writing a program, let's say I give you a program, very simple Python program, ki you have to write a program to find the even number among the two. Now that is a very simple program, you also know, I also know. Just 2-3 lines of code and that will be done, right? But let's say if I gave you ki I have this 20 numbers long list, now I want all this list to be sorted, and I want the 5th index, or maybe I want the 10th index or 15th index. But I have given you a condition that key it should not take more space. I have a space complexity condition, and I have a time complexity condition too. Ki time complexity should be this much, right? Or I have my own use cases. Ki these use cases should be passed, then only I will say your program is working. So that is the place where we really require data structures and algorithms, DSA, to solve out those problems in the best manner according to your sake of time complexity, which is being asked according to this space complexity, and even according to the use cases which are being mentioned over there. Because I hope you all know ki having that use cases, it is very much important to satisfy all of those. So that is where this DSA part comes into the roles, right? So you are having lot of things, linked lists, arrays, strings, right? You are having binary trees, stacks, queues, lot of things you are having under the DSA, and that are very important for you to learn, to understand, so as to proceed in any of the maybe any fields, and especially talking about the data science also. So yeah, it helps you to build up the logic building. It helps you to solve a lot of problems while having or while working onto the data. So yeah, that is what is the requirement of this DSA. So guys, am I clear first of all ki why every time we say DSA is required, you have to have a DSA, good DSA understanding or good DSA skills, maybe for going anywhere, right? Am I clear with that to all of you over here? Yeah, Parth, it's live on YouTube, and yeah, you can have a word with me. Okay, Shashank, ML will as will be started very soon. Can you give schedule of all courses? See, yeah, sure, Shashank. Schedule will be very soon live for you all, where you will be able to get key when what is gonna come, and maybe what is the complete method to learn that. Even I'll be sharing the strategies as well with you. Ki what is the best strategy to learn that particular thing for your GATE 2024, right? So everything will be shared with you very shortly, and here just here onto your YouTube live only. Okay, and yeah, understand this is YouTube live. You all can join in, you all can come here, you all can talk to me, solve your queries, and yeah, we will be learning together. I'll be teaching you live, and in that case you can solve any of your queries, any of your questions at that moment, and I will make sure that everything is covered and clear to you, very clear at that time only. Okay, so yeah. Ma'am, I'm from West Bengal studying BSc in second year of digital Python, third semester. Please guide me how to complete this chapter. See, Sujit, we will be starting with Python only for the very first, as a very first module, we will be going with the Python only, and under that Python thing only, I will be covering the DSA part 2. So I just request you to join out these lectures every day, daily, so that you get about the DSA and Python everything maybe in next few days only. Okay. So I just request you to join out the live sessions every day without missing any. Oh, thank you. Thanks a lot, Krishna. Tools, GATE lectures will help in placement. Yeah, see, tools bucket, I would say ki yeah, in under this GATES thing now, you will be learning a kind of a complete data science sort of a thing in a short duration, because whatever is required for the data science, that is as well required for your GATE 2024 to be qualified, right? So yeah, for sure you can join these particular sessions, and yeah, you will be getting assistance in the placement as well. You will be learning a lot of things. You'll be learning a lot of technologies and even the things which will help you under that also. So anyone who is interested in learning data science with a GATE or anything surely can join out these live sessions, and yeah, I'll be helping you out in any of those things. Yeah, so just as I said, you can join up the live sessions, and there only I will be helping you with all the guidance and everything to learn. Right, so yeah, as talked about, DSA is pretty clear. See, now we are having up a strategy as well, where I'll be sharing up with you a strategy key in this much number of days, how will you be able to complete the complete Python and the DSA part with me? Because you know, under the GATE 2024 syllabus for DSAI, you are having up a topic that is your programming in Python, right? Programming. So for that programming thing, we will be going with the Python, and we will be doing with the DSA portions and all of those things in a very detail with the practical implementations right away here in front of you, right? So once we are doing up now, in that time only I will be helping ki how to write this, not how to write that. Even we'll be having a lot of quizzes as well online over here on the YouTube lives only, where I'll be giving you questions, you'll be answering me out those. So yeah, each and everything will be covered up in quite very much details. So yeah, Python SQL we are done. After that, you will even be having some mathematical stuff, that is your statistics and probability to be dealt with, because yeah, that is also one thing which is very much required for your this GATE 2024 also, right? So yeah, statistics and probability, we'll be covering linear algebras too, we'll be covering a little calculus also, statistics, probability, and under that we are even having a lot of subtopics also, right? So that is the reason ki we will be going ahead and like solving up all of these particular things. You'll be going ahead and applying out these things, and a lot of things, right? So that is the complete process, that is the complete way ki we will be proceeding in further, right? So now first of all, I just will stop in here for a minute, and I just want to ask you people ki ask out whatever doubts you are having regarding this GATE 2024, or maybe anything related to the live sessions which will be happening, or anything like that. Whatever the queries you are having, just let me know quickly first of all. Okay, then I'll proceed in with my stuffs. this is actually a completely discussion kind of a thing where we will be discussing each and everything with you. You can discuss anything with me. I'll be helping you out with whatever I have in for you people, right? So this is that kind of a session over here today. So I request whatever the queries or things you are having, you can just have a word with me. You can just write that down. I'll be solving those, because from tomorrow and maybe from next 1-2 days we will be going with completely technical things, right? So we will be starting up. I'll be having a complete strategy, complete guide with the books and everything for you all, and then we'll be starting up with the practical implementations of each and every topic whatever we will be having up, right? So yeah, that is what we will be going through and working through under this gate part. For hypothesis and probability, will you also suggest me a book? Okay, for hypothesis and probability. Okay, yeah, Sujit, I would just request you to just please wait for one or 2 days. I will be coming up with all the details with the books also. Okay, which book to refer, which book not to refer, or maybe for whatever the topics, which books to refer. Just wait for one more live session, which will be happening maybe tomorrow, day after tomorrow, most probably. And then I'll be helping you out with all of those. Okay. Great. So yeah, that was like about the latest trends which we have up into the DSA right away going on. So yeah, again the same thing I would say, key DSA is important for you to even study. It's not key if you are taking data science, a DSA is not required. That's not the case. You require DSA as well to be worked out, to be solved out, to be gone through. Okay. Yeah, so I will even talk a little about the timings and everything. So the timings for the live sessions, it will be around evening only, somewhat around 6 or 7. Okay, so whatever that, like it will be after 6 only every day, where we will be discussing and having up the practicals and live sessions, everything. And soon you will be able to take their special classes also onto the Unacademy app. Okay, so that even I'll let you know once in a few days. Okay. So I will just invite you people for your questions. If you are having any questions you want to ask related to GATE preparations 2024, or maybe how will you proceeding, or any kind of a thing like that, I would be like loving to answer those for you all. Okay, not at 6 p.m. Then you suggest me a time then. And once we start on with the live sessions, you will automatically get a notification about we will be starting up with Python today, or maybe at what time. Okay, so in that case I request you all to be ready with your laptops opened. Okay, do join with laptops only, not mobile phones, and have a notebook and a pen with you too, because as I told, we will be doing a lot of practicals in between only. So I request you to please be ready with your laptop so that we can just do the practical together. And at any time if you have any errors or anything coming, you can just paste down the errors in the chat box and I'll be helping you out with those to solve out. Okay. Okay. So yeah, do we have anything else to be talked about, or do we have anything else to be discussed? Okay guys, so as again I would repeat, in very soon, maybe tomorrow or day after tomorrow, the live sessions will be starting, where I'll be training you with the different topics, talking over them, going through those in very details in the practical sessions, theory sessions, everything you will be having up. So I request you everyone that note down the timings in the evening, just see that when the live is scheduled, right? And we will be further going ahead with those. Okay ma'am, अपने बारे में कुछ बता दो. Okay, so okay Roshan, I am actually the youngest data science educator in India. Okay, and even I have been a 3 times George Talk speaker. I have been working with multiple edtechs in training the students and in everything, right? So yeah, that is a small, but yeah, my main field of expertise is Python and data science only, and that is where I have trained around more than 80,000 students in all of those particular data science in Python, and that is all around across 176 countries. I have trained out their students. So yeah, that's all about me. Okay, in Hindi it's difficult. Okay, see guys, the sessions will be in the evening. Okay, according to your sake of convenience, you will try to see about the things, but most probably the things will be in, okay, in the evening only. Yeah, sure, Bhanu. Everything will be provided to you in the detailed only. Okay, everything will be provided to you in the detailed concepts, detailed explanations. Everything you will be getting. I just have one request to you people ki do join onto a regular basis with the laptops and a notebook and a pen with you. And rest, leave everything on to me. I will make sure ki you are getting up everything in the best manner, and you are even try to understand, you are even getting all of the things in the best way as you can. Okay, just one request to you ki do join live daily, and even do share this with your friends today, because there might be many people who are not able to like figure this out. So do share this with your friends ki we are coming up with this gate 2024 live sessions from tomorrow or day after tomorrow. Okay, share this with your friends. They can also join, and they can also get their dreams of going into different IITs for pursuing their masters in data science AI. Okay, कि कब को स्टीप सीखने के लिए कितना टाइम लगेगा. See, Roshan, as you know कि your gate exam will be in February, true? So before February you will be trained out with each and everything in the details. Okay, as I am again repeating, leave everything on to all the instructors who are there on Unacademy teaching you for the gate 2024. Just join out the sessions daily, just be there, okay, and leave everything on to us. You will be getting everything in detail, everything in deep, and all of the things. Okay, and yeah, even in a few days I'll be sharing up the special classes things as well with you. So yeah, there also you can come, you can join, and you can learn with me. So Roshan, every day I will be having one class over here onto the YT, one class over there onto the special onto the app. Okay, and don't ask about duration, because durations will be depending on the different topics. According to the topic, the duration will be decided. Okay, but average you can take 1 hour. Okay guys, so I guess ki we are pretty okay with whatever I had to say to you all and let you know about the upcoming live sessions. Okay, so yeah, I guess that's it. If you have anything, you can ask me, because from my end I am done with whatever I had to say. Yeah, Unacademy Special on YouTube. Okay, so yeah, if we all are done, so I guess I can stop it, and we can end this live stream for today. And I'll be seeing you all very soon with the technical portion, starting on with Python, and we'll be having up a strategy class too as well. So request you ki just do subscribe out the channel so that you get out all the notifications whatever you have in. And see you there into the next live stream. Till then, thank you everyone, and take care. Have a great